Hey everyone, welcome back to Pro Product Comparison. Today we're comparing two popular beginner DJ controllers, the Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX and the Pioneer DDJ-FLX4. Let's break down which one gives you more for your money. Design and build. The Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX has a sleek look with large jog wheels and built-in displays. These show your BPM, pitch, and track time, super helpful when you're mixing. It also includes FX paddles and long pitch faders, giving it a pro feel. The Pioneer FLX4 is more compact, with a clean, simple layout. It doesn't have jog displays, but it's built to match the Pioneer club gear design. This makes it easier to upgrade later if you stick with Pioneer. Software and compatibility. The Numark works with Serato DJ Lite out of the box and supports upgrades to Serato Pro and Virtual DJ. It's made to perform and the software support is strong. The Pioneer FLX4 works with both Rekordbox and Serato. Plus, it connects to phones and tablets with USB-C and even Bluetooth. That's a big win if you want to DJ on mobile. Features and performance. The Mixtrack Platinum FX supports 4 decks, so you can layer tracks and effects like a pro. The jog wheel displays are a standout at this price point. And the FX paddles make triggering effects super fun and intuitive. The FLX4 focuses more on smart features. It has automatic fader transitions and streaming-friendly mic support. It's made for creators who want simple, clean sets across different devices. Price. The Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX usually costs around $250 to $280. The Pioneer DDJ-FLX4 tends to be a bit more, at $300 to $320. You're paying a little extra for Pioneer's build quality and mobile features. But Numark gives you more in terms of raw functionality. If you want more features and performance tools for your dollar, the Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX is the better buy. It offers 4 decks, jog displays, and FX paddles, all at a lower price. But if you value a cleaner layout, mobile compatibility, and a smoother entry into the Pioneer ecosystem, the DDJ-FLX4 is still a solid pick. Check out the links in the description to grab one of these. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-nonsense gear breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and keep spinning.